A very good morning. My name is AISYAH anak BELAYONG. My matrix number is A1980057. Now, I want to talk about vision, mission, and also organization chart of Padini Holdings Berhad. Vision of Padini Holdings Berhad is want to become a global leader in fashion and retail industries that providing high-quality products in the area of designing, manufacturing, quality, customer service, branding, and also innovation. Okay. Then, mission of Padini Holdings Berhad is want to create a fashion awareness so that everyone can outfit more fashionably but affordably in accordance with the Padini brand's name. Okay. Now, what is organization chart? Organization chart is one of the organization administrative structure that can be used to represent the level of position of the board director in Padini Holding Berhad. Okay, so the top level in this company is chairman, and then followed by managing director, executive director, former executive, general manager operation, audit community, and senior independent non-executive director. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NURUL and SYAFIQAH binti JAMIL SULONG, A19A0701. Now I want to present about the company integrated supply chain framework. The integrated supply chain divided into three main divisions, which is supply network, the integrated enterprise, and the market distribution network. Next is supply network. At Padini, they do the periodic visits to suppliers' factories. Padini's team conducts regular visits to their supply chain to verify quality control systems, manufacturing conditions, environmental initiatives, and other activities. During the visits, the teams hold meetings to discuss solutions to various issues and work with factory management to review the volume and schedule of production orders in consideration of available production capacity to help ensure that certain ethical requirements maintained. Next is integrated enterprise. The integrated enterprise have four key areas for consideration. It is procurement, manufacturing, logistics, and customer relationship management. Okay, first is procurement, which is at Padini they take a long-term view, assess technology expertise and manufacture while tying vision together to make the world as better place for their business. So their partners and factories able to use the practices in quality control, employee management, employee safety, and environmental impact reduction. Their supplier code of conduct continues to provide a solid foundation for their work and is an integral part of their company risk and human rights due diligence framework. The guidelines ensure their requirements are met, drives continuous improvement, and informs their core social sustainability strategy. Okay. Next is the second component in the integrated enterprise division is manufacturing. The group of Padini began outsourcing its manufacturing function to external parties 8 to 10 years ago, when its manufacturing operations became loss-making largely due to the absence of economies of scale and labor supply shortages, which may result in lower productivity, higher wages, and missed opportunities. So this would have allowed group to focus more of its time on developing its brands and on steering the direction of the group. These external manufacturers are located domestically in Kuala Lumpur and Ipoh, and abroad in China, Taiwan, Korea, and also Bangladesh. Next is logistics. At Padini, their logistics is fully outsourced to their party to achieve maximum efficiency and effectiveness in terms of company resources. Noting that logistics is a significant source of environmental stress, especially in the form of carbon emissions. They aim to better plan out the routes of their distribution trucks to improve their transportation efficiency while reducing their carbon emissions in the long run. Okay, and then the last component in the integrated enterprise division is customer relationship. Okay. At Padini, to stay on top of customer needs as they change with the times, Padini has set up various customer service platforms, which is namely via official website, customer service hotline, email, and social media pages to make it easier for customers to reach out and make inquiries. The feedback from customers is relayed to relevant stores and departments to ensure a timely response, ensuring that customer feedback is reflected to improve products and services. Okay. Recognizing that complaints are especially valuable feedback, all personnel involved promptly share details with relevant stores and departments so that their root causes and solutions can be determined in order to prevent any recurrence. Okay, and the third division in the integrated supply chain framework is market distribution network. At Padini, the finished goods are distributed through own franchise or dealers, standalone single brand stores, consignment counters, or groups multi-brand. Large format concept stores known as Padini Concept Store and brand outlet the group also distributes its merchandise domestically through standalone owned stores, standalone franchise store, consignment counters, and Padini Concept Store, and also the brand outlet, but not standalone dealer store. This is because standalone dealer store which are only available abroad in Thailand. The brand of the seed has the largest market representation in Malaysia with 58 outlets, followed by Padini in 39 outlets.
Now, I want to talk about company supply chain management practice. Assalamualaikum, my name is AISYAH BINTI AZIZ. My matrix number is A19A0034. First, in supply chain management practice is about strategic supply partnership. Supply chain partnership is defined as a long-term partnership deal between two or more companies in a supply chain to facilitate combined effort and collaboration in one or more core value creating activities such as research, product development, manufacturing, marketing, sale, and distribution. In Padini have 4 strategic supply partnership. First is sustainable procurement. This is because we focus on long-lasting relationship with our external supplier and working with them collaborate and transparently while setting clear objectives for addressing social and environment issues. In each partnership, we take a long-term view, evaluate technology and manufacturing expertise while committing a shared vision of making the world a better place for our business. We expect our partner and their factory to apply best practice in quality control, labor management, worker safety, and environment impact reduction. We are gradually improving our supply chain management. Second is a supplier factory because each one of our suppliers is at a different stage of their sustainability journey, with some just beginning to process and a handful at the other and showing real innovation and leadership. Third is about sustainable product. At Padini, we are aware of environment problem caused by the fashion industry. We aim to work toward sustainable product processing and reduce negative environment impact to continuous improvement of the supply chain. Last is about sustainable operation, a dedication to reducing the impact of our owner and operation store, distribution center and office means reducing our operational greenhouse gas to identify practices that are more efficient and have lower environmental impact. Okay, next is about customer relationship. At Padini have 3 types of customer relationship. First is service satisfaction. This is because our company was set up various customer service platform. That's our customer can give a feedback or complaint to our service or so on. So from that our company can improve our service and product. Okay, second is customer privacy. This is because we respect consumer right to privacy when they use our website, sign up for our loyalty program and communicate electronically with us. We have put in place all necessary measures to keep any personal information provided securely. Last is online shopping. On our platform, we give a best price to customer, also provide a free delivery service to our customer, and to this customer who have a membership can use a membership card to get a discount. Last is about information system. At Padini, use a management information system because SAP has been implemented and we do see improvement and better control of our work process. We need probably another year for our user to get used to the system. Second is transaction processing system. Because Padini take the necessary precautions both administrative and technical data security technologies such as firewall, access control produce and cryptographic mechanism to prevent and safeguard our customer personal data. Last but not least is about executive support system. Executive has a due role as member of a board and senior management. Their responsibility as management are primarily focused on providing leadership to the manager who are which carrying out the necessary operation on a day-to-day basis to ensure that the board plan is carried out. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Wan Muhammad Adam bin YUSOF. My matric number is A19A0974. Today I will talk about utilization 2PL, 3PL, 4PL of Padini Company and cooperation with the competitors. So for the first one, Logistic is a complex organization in charge of executing different delivery and shipment related procedures. When you purchase a product from an online retailer, these logistics are in charge of your shipment and ensuring that you receive the correct product. The rise of e-commerce as well as this logistics has had a tremendous impact on the global economy. E-commerce could not have been adopted without logistics. This discusses the many types of logistics available such as 1PL, 2PL, 3PL and 4PL and how each is distinct. So for the next part is 2PL, second party logistic, is the transfer of product from a specific transport region of the supply chain such as rail, road, sea or air is referred to as second party logistics. They are asset-based carrier which offer service such as transportation utilizing their own ships and contracted aircraft. They are most utilized for the international transportation of large and wholesale items as well as for commerce. Next is 3PL, which is third-party logistics. A third-party logistics network is a supply chain that focuses on the transportation and delivery of various items, but also includes a variety of other services, warehousing, terminal operations, custom brokerage, supply chain management, and other services are provided by 3PL. It also covers logistics, IT, software, and analytics service for tracking and tracing the status of various items delivery. These third-party logistics companies provide all of the aforementioned services and as well as handle any issue that arise. They are expert in local and international warehousing as well as other supply chain management solution. For the last part is 4PL, which is four-party logistics. The notion of four-party logistics is a new one on the market, and it entails hiring and overseas to manage a company's complete supply chains. These logistics are frequently referred to as lead logistic providers, and they are frequently viewed as a consulting firm for a variety of supply chains. They serve the company's chief administrator, oversees all aspects of the supply chains. They are regularly hired by numerous third-party logistic companies to provide neutral management and feedback on a variety of third-party logistic services. Four-party logistics is the big thing in logistics because to its enhanced efficiency, they provide a single invoicing solution and logistical workflow that is unrivaled. So we go to the next slide. So as we can see, Padani Logistics is completely outsourced the third party in order to maximize the company's efficiency and effectiveness. Nothing that logistics in a major cause of environmental stress, particularly in the form of carbon emissions. Their goal is to be better plan out the routes of their distribution trucks in order to enhance transportation efficiency while lowering carbon emissions over time. Padani is cautious of the environmental issue that the fashion businesses causes. They want to optimize the supply chain in order to achieve sustainable industrial methods and decrease negative environmental effect. Reduce operational greenhouse gas emissions and waste production, as well as working with company logistics and procurement partners to identify practices that are more efficient and have a lower environmental impact, are all part of the commitment to reducing the impact of owned and operated stores, distribution centers, and office. Next, we go to the cooperation with competitors. The first point is Padani is a fashion clothing firm with several rivals including H&M, Zara, and others. Padani should find other strategies to increase their profit margin in order to be the one with bigger sales. According to Kenanga Research, Padani Holding Berhad is likely to report higher profitability in the second quarter of its financial year 2020 as a result of year-end sales and its new Disney themed garment line. Padani is still rated outperformed by research firm with a target price of RM4. The second quarter is traditionally Padani's second strongest quarter, accounting for 30% to 35% of full year's earnings according to the report. The second is Padani has been working with Disney on a 2-year agreement to offer Disney themed garments, which is projected to increase gross profit margin owing to higher pricing than other brands. Within a shortened duration, sales of this Disney line have exceeded the objective set by Disney themselves. And Padini aimed to get more Disney characters to broaden the collection. It goes on to say that the partnership is in keeping with Padini's objective of aiming for a gross profit margin of more than 40% while preserving supplier diversification of 70% from China, 25% from Malaysia, and 5% from the other countries. In terms of region expansion, Padini has been looking to increase in own managed stores to control the store's values. So far, a brand outlet shop and 2 Padini stores has been taken over in Cambodia as well as 7 BINTI stores in Thailand. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is SYAZWANI binti HAMZATOL AKMAL and my matric number is A19A0170. So, let me continue about conclusion. Padini Holding Berhad specialized on manufacturing and wholesale company for clothing industry. They wishes to become a global leader in the fashion and retail industry, providing high quality product in the area of design, manufacturing, quality customer service, branding and innovation. Padini can also be described as a creative group supporting organization, especially in the designing of manufacture raw materials. They are capable of achieving a high standard of quality in fashion design and operating in the long run because it is currently able to bring Padini brands to other countries. Besides, they provide integrated supply chains in their management. As a result, nowadays, Padini brand successful in bringing the name of nation-made product to a number of countries, including Bahrain, Brunei, Cambodia, Egypt, and so on.